Hey guys, I'm Joel. In this video, I'm gonna be doing something that I think a lot of you guys can benefit from because majority of us have really old cars, and as you can tell, the trim on this. Eat that ass, yo. All right, now that that bird is done tweaking, this trim is really faded and dusty looking. And also, just to clarify, this piece right here, my guy Pat is gonna 3D print a little delete cover for it. So that's the main reason why I want to dye it black. Because when he prints it and it's black, this trim is gonna look so out of place. I'm gonna be using this right here, Forever Black. I've heard really good reviews and people saying that it lasts forever, as it states. But it's not one of the ones like the Meguiar's one, like back to black, that you have to put it like every 2 weeks. This is one that actually stays on, and I want to test it and see if that's actually true. So the kit comes with a little sponge, the actual dye reconditioner, and the cleaner concentrate. So just reading the side of the box right there, it says you could do bumpers, wheel wells, moldings, mud guards, door handles, spoilers, mirrors. But I do eventually want to have Euro bumpers on this car, but this is kind of like in the meantime while I have it, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do these because I want Euro grills that have US grills don't have the little line over the top, and Euro grills connect it all the way across. So I want new grills. I'm not gonna paint those. These mirrors, I'm gonna try it, see what happens. I could probably even do these too, but the door handles is something that could get done. I want to see if this would work. Like right now, it doesn't even look like it's something that's that bad. This cleaner says to use 4 ounces with half a gallon of warm water. So I don't want to use half a gallon. That's kind of a lot. So I got a sprayer bottle from Walmart, and I'm gonna use 1/4 of that. So I'm gonna use 1 ounce of this and 16 ounces of water because I'm just gonna spray it on and use a lot less. I'm gonna just eyeball an ounce. It said warm, so I'm gonna let that warm up all the way. 16 ounces. It doesn't need to be exact, but it has been marked already, so might as well. This is a pretty good before and after. It's so dusty. It looks horrible. I want to start with these because these are the most dramatic. Like, they're just ugly. I pulled it out because it's way better lighting out here, and I washed it yesterday and it looks so good. Just a quick little show of it. I love it, but you can tell, dusty ass bumper. This sun is in a really annoying position because it's right behind me this way. So, no! I don't want it to cover the actual bumper and what I'm doing, but it might be inevitable. I don't know, it doesn't say how much. Squeeze small amount, okay. Is that a small amount? I guess. Actually, I think this could look pretty good if I put even coats on it. So I'm just gonna try and make it all even enough in one direction, and then I can come in the opposite direction. Ideally, I should take this out to get in there, but I got these bootleg ass shop towels from Walmart. It's literally a towel. Oh, damn. Yeah, right when you touch it onto something that you don't want to be dyed, take it off right away, because it's dried a little bit, so I'm gonna do the second coat now. Oh, that makes a huge difference. Oh my god. Wow, that makes a huge difference. And then when I get the Euro grills, I'll buy a new kidney for it. It's gonna look brand new. I'm gonna time lapse this side just to get it over with. That looks so much better. I didn't think that this was gonna make that big of a difference, but the front end always looks so dusty. I still want to get that covered, but oh, that looks so good. I don't think these are gonna be as noticeable as the front bumper because the front bumper has the chrome around it, but like, I don't know, it's worth a try. Yeah, I can't really tell the difference honestly, but I'm gonna do this side anyways because I'm already here. So the front bumper looks so much better with that trim like that, but to me that door handle and that little B-pillar, they look the same as this mirror. So I'm not even gonna try and hit anything else because I don't know. Doesn't look like it made that much of a difference compared to like how much of a difference that made. I wanna go for a little drive though. I haven't driven this car in like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna put you guys on my head. I wired in the clutch pedal to the ECU again, so I have shift cut and launch control. So I want to try the shift cut. Oh, I forgot that part. I forgot that part. I also changed the percentage of ignition that it cuts on the shift cut. It was cutting 82% of the ignition before, and I changed it down to 62% of the ignition. So now only 62% of the ignition is getting cut, and that's why it backfired like that. So it might be a little aggressive, I don't know, but it popped loud. He has a 570 horsepower. He has a sticker that says 570 on the side of that. There's Wilwood brakes, supercharged. That's cool. It's always the dudes in the Corvette that want to prove something. They don't even look at me like, what the fuck? It's like, nah, I'm not gonna look at them. A good pop. The delay was a little bit long on that, so I'm trying to figure out how long of a delay to have it, but I just need to get consistent shifting down and then I can start trying to adjust it. Fireball right there. I really want to see what that looks like out there. When you hear like a poof, that's how you know it's a huge fireball. I'm so used to what this car sounds like that I forget that other people still find it like amazing how it sounds. I'm like, it's so normal to me that I don't really find it that mesmerizing anymore, honestly. right here in front of this. And this is here. Oh, in there is so cool actually. Oh, I'm turning around and going in there. I'm gonna back into here. Looks so good. This bumper trim came out absolutely amazing. This car just, every day I'm falling more in love with this car. This is so calming and soothing. Just seeing my hard work chilling there. Wind is blowing. This is crazy. It's like hitting me right now that there's 17,000 of you that want to watch what I'm doing just because of this thing right here. 17,000 of you. That's just mind-blowing to me, honestly. I could not thank you guys enough for showing so much support, honestly. I know that you guys are all along for the ride, and I'm at a loss for words. I don't even know what to say. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you very much. Leave a like. Follow me on Instagram right here at E30Joel if you want to stay up to date with everything that I'm doing. So like pictures from here, I'll probably post some, you know, something light. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.